Hi all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add both a footer and page number in Microsoft Word clearly and professionally. This feature is essential for academic papers, reports, assignments, business document, invoices, and official file where proper formatting must matters. Many users struggle to add page number without affecting the footer text or accidentally remove one while editing the other. In this video, we will discover simple and correct and reliable methods to insert, customize both footer content and page numbering together without formatting issue. So let's get started. We can see already added the header is backspace. Now I want to add the footer and the page number in one page or one formatting. Now I go to the insert menu again first, then click this page number option, choose bottom of page, then select the left corner. We can see we added the page number, then double click on the main page and close the footer. Go back again the insert, select the footer drop down menu and choose the footer is 3 item. Now I type the one item is page number. We can see we manually edited this, but this is not editable. We go back the first option. We can see here the page number, then double click on the page number and double click on the right side, then write your footer text. Then double click on the main page and we can see here the footer and here the page number. The first page is 1 and 2 3 and the footer is YouTube channel. You can see we make it very easily. We added the both in one page. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.